他什么都不怕。
OK。
我等一下要让他吃到一些台湾比较有特殊的东西哈。Let's see there you go, get a big one. Oh yeah. Let's go. Harry, this is my friend. 这是我很好的朋友。他打了一个，这是台湾口香糖。他要吞下去吗？Don't swallow it. You go spit it. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it. Yeah. 我哥刚打电话给我，然后说他们没办法让他进来，突然打电话给我，然后就说没有，他们都是要地址跟电话，因为我忘记这件事情，因为通常进来台湾我都不用啊，所以外国人进来台湾你要记得先给他们地址跟电话。Look at， 我们两个走路是不是很像？我忘记他的李牌。Hello。台湾有很多很特殊的东西，他什么都不怕。
OK。
我等一下要让他吃到一些台湾比较有特殊的东西哈。
皮蛋豆腐。
好，皮蛋豆腐。但是午餐的时间，他从来没有吃过火锅，所以我今天要带他去我自己最喜欢的火锅店之一。How about that? One of my favorite hot pot places. You having trouble with them chopsticks or what? You struggling? You got it. You got it. Hey. Let's see. Dopey. First time, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Is it anything like anything you've seen in America?你就喜欢这边的气氛 ，the atmosphere, right?
Yeah, the atmosphere of it is just like
relaxing. 很放松，很漂亮。这家怎么样？ What do you think about this place? It's Japanese. You ever tried Japanese food? No, but I like it. You like it? I think they got like a lot of barbecue. 你还没有学会，你很少。There you go. There you go. That's it. Oh, almost. There you go.
I'm trying to squeeze it too tight.
There it is. How's it? I'm in Old Street. You ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
You need to taste this. Just you get a different one. They got all different kinds.
Get toothpick.
What do you think?
It's like kind of like the version of beef jerky.
What do you think? What does it smell like?
It's the stinky tofu. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the stinky tofu. Remember you said you want to try it?
Yeah.
We're about to try the stinky tofu. What do you think it smells like so far?
I don't know. I'm not good with my nose like that.
You're not good. You don't smell nothing?
I don't smell nothing.
Why? My question is, why are you sweating like that? It ain't even that hot yet. All right, let's see. So this is on top of this. You got some. This is Taiwanese style pickled cabbage, and then the fried sticky tofu. All right, and you get a little sauce down there you can dip in. There's a little hot spice you can put over there on the side. Try it out. Let's see what you think. How you just gonna eat the cabbage? You supposed to eat the tofu, man.
I'm gonna get there.
他只有吃到那个泡菜，他根本没有碰那个臭豆腐，到底是怎样 ？Let's see. There you go. Get a big one. Oh yeah. Let's go. What do you think?
Not bad.
What do you say? You like it?
I like that.
因为他喜欢吃海鲜，但是我很不喜欢吃海鲜。I hate seafood.
可爱的人类，
你真的要试哦？你好赶哦。真的？Just now? Can you eat that snail?
I'm trying to eat the snail.
Go on and get it. 先把它插进去。Oh, okay. Let's see.
I'll eat that.
Does it taste like seafood?
It is seafood.
Terry, this is my friend. 这是我很好的朋友，我很好的兄弟。他打了一个，这是台湾口香糖。
对，台湾口香糖。
他要吞下去吗？ Don't swallow it. You're supposed to spit it. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it. Yeah. 三个现在要玩一个游戏，我们现在要玩的两个一样的筛子游戏。你先。八。换你。Your turn, Terry. Your turn. Zero. Uh-oh, you about to be fucked up.
Oh, that's an 8.
Yeah.
That's a French.
And the loser is Harry. 等一下 ，Where you going? 你一定要去哪里？今天晚上我们去了很多地方，我们要去安平。We went to 安平 We went to 安平老街 and we went to 热炒店 We had the stir fry restaurant and we went to a little nightclub. What's your most memorable part of this evening?
The nightclub, awesome. Hands down, awesome. Best time I had. Taiwan. hey, Taiwan.